Broccoli is more than just a nutritious vegetable. It's a symbol of modern, profitable agriculture. Welcome to our complete broccoli farming guide, brought to you by SMART-AGRI Hub. Whether you're an aspiring farmer, a seasoned grower, or simply passionate about sustainable agriculture, this comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know to cultivate high-yield, high-quality broccoli right from the ground up. Let's start by understanding why broccoli is such an attractive crop. Globally, broccoli has seen a surge in demand, driven by its reputation as a superfood rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its versatility in culinary uses, from salads and stir-fries to soups and sides, makes it a favorite among consumers. For farmers, broccoli offers the promise of consistent market demand, attractive pricing, and the ability to fit into diverse crop rotations, making it an excellent choice for both small-scale and commercial agriculture. The journey to a successful broccoli harvest begins with selecting the right variety. Broccoli comes in several types, including Calabrese, sprouting, and purple broccoli. Each variety has unique characteristics suited to different climates and market preferences. Calabrese, the most common type, forms large green heads and is well suited for temperate climates. Sprouting broccoli, with its multiple small heads, is ideal for regions with mild winters. Purple broccoli, as the name suggests, offers a vibrant alternative and is gaining popularity in niche markets. It's crucial to consult local agricultural experts or seed suppliers to determine which variety is best adapted to your region's climate, soil, and market needs. Once you've chosen your variety, site selection and soil preparation are your next crucial steps. Broccoli thrives in cool climates with temperatures between 18 and 23 degrees Celsius, making it an ideal crop for spring and autumn planting in many regions. Select a site that receives full sun, as broccoli requires at least 6 hours of sunlight each day to produce robust heads. Soil quality is paramount. Broccoli prefers well-drained, fertile loam soils with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Conduct a soil test to assess nutrient levels and pH before planting. If the pH is too low, apply agricultural lime to raise it. Prepare the land by tilling to a depth of 20 to 30 centimeters, removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Incorporate plenty of organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil structure and fertility. Broccoli can be grown either by direct seeding or by transplanting seedlings. While direct seeding is possible, starting seeds in a nursery provides better control over germination and early growth. Sow seeds in seed trays or nursery beds about 6 to 8 weeks before your intended transplant date. Keep the seeds moist and in a location with adequate light and ventilation. Once seedlings reach 10 to 15 centimeters in height and have at least 4 to 5 true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Transplant seedlings into the prepared field, spacing them 45 to 60 centimeters apart in rows that are 60 to 90 centimeters apart. Proper spacing is essential to ensure good airflow, reduce disease risk, and allow each plant enough room to develop a large head. Water the seedlings immediately after transplanting to help them establish strong root systems. Fertilization plays a vital role in achieving high yields and quality broccoli heads. Broccoli is a heavy feeder, particularly of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. At planting, apply a balanced fertilizer based on soil test recommendations. As the plants grow, side dress with additional nitrogen to support vigorous leafy growth and head formation. Incorporate organic amendments like compost for improved soil health and slow-release nutrients. Water management is another key aspect of broccoli farming. Broccoli requires consistent moisture, especially during head formation. Drip irrigation is highly recommended as it delivers water directly to the root zone and minimizes leaf wetness, reducing the risk of disease. Aim to provide about 3 to 4 centimeters of water per week, adjusting for rainfall and soil moisture levels. Avoid overhead watering, as wet foliage can encourage fungal diseases, such as downy mildew and alternaria leaf spot. Weed control is essential to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Use mulch or organic coverings to suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. Regular hand weeding or shallow cultivation can help keep the field weed-free, especially during the early stages of growth. Broccoli is susceptible to a range of pests and diseases. Common insect pests include aphids, cabbage worms, flea beetles, and cutworms. Monitor your crop regularly and use integrated pest management techniques such as crop rotation, floating row covers, and biological controls like beneficial insects. When necessary, apply targeted organic or chemical insecticides, always following safety guidelines and pre-harvest intervals. Fungal diseases such as clubroot, black rot, and downy mildew can also affect broccoli. Practice crop rotation, avoid overwatering, and ensure good field drainage to minimize disease risks. Use disease-resistant varieties where available and remove infected plants promptly to prevent the spread of pathogens. As the broccoli heads begin to form, monitor their development closely. Harvest timing is crucial for quality and shelf life. Broccoli is ready to harvest when the heads are firm, compact, and have a deep green color with tightly closed florets. Do not wait for the flower buds to open, as this reduces quality and marketability. Use a sharp knife to cut the main head, leaving about 15 centimeters of stem. After the main head is harvested, many varieties will produce side shoots that can be harvested later, extending your yield. Post-harvest handling is vital to preserve freshness and quality. Broccoli is highly perishable and should be cooled immediately after harvest. Store in a cool, humid environment, ideally at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius with high humidity. Proper handling and packaging reduce damage and extend shelf life, making your crop more attractive to buyers. Marketing your broccoli effectively ensures a profitable return on your investment. Explore local markets, supermarkets, restaurants, and even direct-to-consumer sales through farmers markets or community-supported agriculture programs. Quality, freshness, and reliable supply are your best selling points. Consider value addition through processing, such as pre-cut florets or frozen broccoli, to tap into diverse consumer preferences. Sustainable broccoli farming is not just about maximizing yield. It's about building a resilient, profitable, and environmentally responsible enterprise. Rotate your broccoli crop with legumes or grains to break pest and disease cycles and enrich the soil. Use cover crops and organic amendments to enhance soil health. Adopt water-saving irrigation methods and integrated pest management to reduce input costs and environmental impact. In summary, successful broccoli farming involves careful planning, from variety selection and site preparation to planting, crop care, pest management, and post-harvest handling. By following these best practices, you can achieve high yields, superior quality, and a sustainable income from your broccoli crop. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complete guide to broccoli farming. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe for more smart agriculture insights, tips, and guides. Happy farming, and may your fields be green and bountiful.